Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, Keller Williams coming to you today with the market report for November 27, 2024. It is Thanksgiving Eve, and I know everybody's getting ready, rushing the grocery store, trying to get that last minute stuff for the family get-togethers, and wishing everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Got some exciting news in the market this week. A lot of ups. I mean, big ups. Things we haven't seen in a while. So we're seeing, a ton of optimism in this market, and we're definitely excited for 2025. We've got a big thing, Sell Your Hive in 2025 from the ALC at our local KW Market Center, 1099, baby. This week we've got active available homes came in at 653, up 14 from the previous week, or about 2% week over week. Year over year, it's showing about 18% up. New listings came in about flat, just down 1. So that's about even, up 81% year over year. So that's a huge optimism sign there. Solds came in up 33% week over week, up 106% year over year. Pendings came in down a little bit, 11% week over week, but up 61% year over year. Median sale price came in at $230,000, showing about 21% appreciation week over week versus last year. About $245,000 over the last 12 months, showing about 7% appreciation. Days on market did slow up, and this is the 3rd out of 4 weeks that we've seen a major slow up. Putting the brakes a little bit on the market possibly, and it came in at 35 average, 19 median, which that median number is a high number. 19, there's been about 4 other times this year that we've seen that number that higher or higher. The highest was 24 this year. So that is a higher median number. So we'll see how that pans out. And this is versus last year when it was a fast week and it was 13 average, 7 median last year at this time. So we'll see what that means. Don't know. But even 35 average days on market is still a quick market historically. Last 12 months sold came in at 4,431 versus last year it was 4,292. So we're showing 3% up versus last year. And I called it. We were going to get positive by the end of the year, because remember last year was a recession year in homes sold. And the first year in a decade, over a decade actually, that Fort Wayne has sold less than 5,000 homes, and we're at 4,431 now. So we're not going to get to the 5,000 probably by the end of this year, but 2025, I think we're going to go over the 5,000 for sure. We're definitely going to see 2025 be a positive year on sale. We're seeing the number of homes we need for a balanced inventory, which is 6 months, would be 2,215. And remember, we only have 653. So that's showing we still have about 3.4 buyers per listing, and still showing a strong seller's market with just under 2 months inventory. That is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. And if you need some food, we're cooking a bunch here. So feel free to stop by if you want. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.